Hey, this is Donna Fuller. I'm a little late, sorry about that, but I was having a hard time with my Photoshop. Anyway, so I guess I'll just go over what I did. I did Photoshop. I chose that instead, and the reason I chose it was because when I look at job postings, most of the trainer and facilitator positions are all requiring Photoshop. And so I just decided to bite the bullet and do this one. So my first set of pictures I did, I cropped everything. The first set of pictures was my baby goat. And so I just, he's such a cute picture, and then I just cropped him and gave him a headshot. The next thing I did was, Pepe Le Pew, my kitty cat, one of my 5, cause he's got a mustache and a goatee. Anyway, so, I just made him black and white. I cropped him first, and then I made him black and white, even though he's already black and white. And then the last one I did was, we had some automotive assistance, helping my husband, fix his truck. And it's true, if there's a box, all is well in their world. So they were helping in those pictures. So I framed that one. I cropped it, and then I framed it. I had a real hard time with the elements, Photoshop elements, number one, because I haven't been tech savvy. But because when I was watching all the videos, I spent the whole week watching videos, and then, his screen was not the same as mine. And that really confused me. So I realized with the help of a few friends that he was on a Mac and I'm on a PC, and there's a difference. So I am going to watch the videos from Adobe Photoshop the tutorials that come with the program. Anyway, so, hope you enjoyed my critter pictures. And, anyway, that's kind of it for now. I'm trying to get back on the horse. I'm trying to learn this stuff. I'm having to learn everything. So, this is, quite challenging for me. I'll be honest with you, it has not been fun. I hear a bunch of you all are like, oh, I just loved it, and I can't wait to, see what it does more of, and I am not feeling that. I'm hoping that since I've got it purchased and downloaded, and I have some support, that, I can do this. Anyway, I don't mean to be negative, but that's just how I'm feeling. I'm not feeling the love with these programs yet. So anyway, I appreciate you listening, and that's all I got. Thanks.